Hello everyone, I'm Sindhu and today we're going to learn about an app called Telegram. As you all are aware of the fact, Telegram has become the important platforms for means of communication due to its attractive features like the size of the group where we can add up to 2 lakh people into the group. We can pin the message, we can access the media within the cloud storage without occupying our device storage. We can change the playback speed of voice messages. We can also take a poll / conduct a poll in the group. But the official Telegram app is not fully accessible for voice over users. For the same reason, they have introduced a dedicated app for screen reader users, both for Android and for iOS users, to access Telegram. For TalkBack users, the app is BlindGram, and for voiceover users, the app is BrightGuide. Friends, in order to use BrightGuide, we must have in-app purchases, especially in order to send voice messages, we must pay for it. So, within the limitations, we are going to learn few important features of the official Telegram app, like getting added into the group with the invite link, viewing and taking actions of messages, composing a message, and few other such features. So let's get started. I have my invite link in WhatsApp, so I'll open WhatsApp.
Speech on. Doc, WhatsApp, one new item. Replying to a message from you. Message, https t me join chat.
This is my link, so I'll double tap here.
Text field, Safari, text alert. Open this page in Telegram. Cancel button, open button.
I am double tapping on open button.
Open. Telegram, edit button.
The page is opened. Friends, here if you right click, all the chats that you have recently are focused with voiceover when the group invite page is open. So in order to avoid that extra navigation, we'll directly tap the screen at the bottom right side. The last item of the screen is settings.
Settings button.
Settings. So if you flick right from here, you will be jumping directly into the share invite link sheet. Let's flick right and check.
Join group.
Join group. Friends, actually this button is not labeled. When you flick right from settings, it will just give you a sound. It will not speak as a join button. But you must label it in order to get it read by voiceover. For now, I am double tapping here.
Join group. Your message. Sindhu Barani.
I have joined the group. So now I have access to the messages in this group. Let me check.
Voice message from Manful Singh. Duration.
This is a voice message from a particular contact. Let's flick up and down in order to check the available actions for this particular message.
Open message menu.
Open message menu. You can also have actions from here, or
reply.
You can directly reply from here. But in order to get other options, you must open message menu. Let's also check another option.
Activate. Default.
Which means you will be able to play the voice message. Now let's check
Open message menu.
message menu options by double tapping here.
Reply.
Reply. As you all know, we can directly quote this particular message and reply.
Pin.
We can pin this particular message to the chat, which means whenever you open this particular chat, the first message that you will be coming across is this particular pinned message. Flick right.
Forward.
You can forward this particular message within the Telegram contacts.
Report.
You can report this message if you feel it is suspicious.
Delete.
You can delete the message.
More. Ellipsis.
Let's check what is there under more options.
More. Manful Singh. Manful Singh invited Dharmaraj Kumar.
Friends, if you activate more options, you will be getting a screen asking you to select messages, select multiple messages in order to take different actions. Let's check.
Voice message from Manful Singh. Selected.
It said selected. Let's flick left and check.
Voice message from Manful Singh. Duration 0 seconds.
It is not
Center
selected.
of screen.
Let's double tap and check.
2 messages selected.
2 messages selected. Friends, now let's check the available actions for these selected messages.
Delete.
Delete,
Report.
report,
Share.
share,
Forward.
forward. We can select and perform all these actions for multiple messages. I hope you have got the concept. Now let's go back to the chat screen by activating cancel button, and the cancel button is located at top right side of your screen. Friends, I am also telling you the location of few elements in order to make sure of quick navigation. You will also be able to locate such elements over usage. So now let's activate cancel button.
Screen record cancel button.
Cancel. Double tap to activate. We have come out of selection mode. Now let's check how to compose message. If you are aware of WhatsApp layout, the same layout is followed here. The same positioning is carried out even in Telegram. For sending text message, see.
Voice message button.
Voice message, that is at right side of your screen.
Message text field.
Message, which is there in the middle of the screen.
Message text message. Voice message. Send media.
Send media. Double tap here.
Send media. A J photo or video button.
Photo or video. Friends, one more point to be noted here. As soon as the screen gets open, sometimes VoiceOver doesn't work with flicking. That time you'll have to manage by exploring the screen. And the same thing applies in multiple screens of Telegram. So here the exploring mode works. The first one is photo/video, which means you can upload photo or video from your photo library. Flick right.
File button.
You can insert file from your Files app.
Location button.
You can send location.
Poll button.
Poll. You can poll in the group, which means you can take a survey, like you can ask a question saying yes or no. Do you agree for this particular thing or not? You can directly take a poll in the group, but this is not accessible. Let's wait and hope the future updates give accessibility for this feature.
Contact button.
You can add contact and send to this group from your contacts list. Now let's
Cancel
cancel
button.
this screen.
Cancel. Vikas Chaudhary.
Now we have some more things to know,
Chats.
like
Blind Bankers of India.
we can also view the group info page, but the page is not accessible. However, I'll tell you few options wherein if you wish to access, you can remember and access.
Blind Bankers
But
of
I'll
India.
give a disclaimer, it is not accessible. You'll have to manage. As soon
Possible
as the
text.
group info page opens, first option will be back, and when you flick right you'll hear something like edit, and when you flick right again it will not work, but you'll have to explore
Possible.
the screen.
Back button. Possibly. Notification.
When you explore the screen you'll get this option like notification. This is the second option. There's one more option before this. Just flick left. It doesn't read anything, but it is add members button. You can label it if you wish to. When you double tap here, the screen is accessible. You can either copy the link or you can add the people directly into the group. Let's flick right.
Possibly. Notification.
This is notification, which is mute button. Flick right.
Possibly. Search.
You can search for the messages in the group.
Possibly. More.
This more contains leave group option, but this is not at all accessible. And there are few more options in the screen like view members, links, docs, etc., but they are not at all accessible, hence I am not covering them in this tutorial. So let's go back.
Back button. Back. Chats button. Chats.
Let's
Edit
also
button.
check the actions for the particular chat.
Two hands Jabe. Blind Bankers of India.
Let's say this is my chat, and now flick up or down.
Unread.
You can make this chat as unread, which means it appears as if you have not read the messages in this particular group.
Pin.
You can pin the chat if you feel this is important and if you wish this chat to be at the top of all your chats. Next option,
Unmute.
unmute, or actually that is mute. You can mute / unmute.
Delete.
Delete. You can delete this chat.
Archive.
Archive, which means the chat will not be available in this list of chats, but it is available under archive folders as a history.
Activate. Default.
Activate, which opens the group. So this is all about group. Now, how if we want to compose a message to a particular contact? We'll also check that. That will be the second option on the screen. As soon as Telegram opens, the second option you will be getting is compose button. So
Edit button.
let's explore. Edit is the first option. By activating this edit option, you can select the particular messages and you can perform read all option. Flick right.
Compose button.
Compose button. Double tap.
Compose. Search for messages or
Search
users.
for messages or groups. Double tap here.
Search field is editing. Insertion
Search
point
for a
at start.
contact by typing
N-A-N-N-A-A. Search. Two hands Nana. Two hand. Search for Nana. Last seen yesterday at 12.
I want to send a message for this particular contact. I'll double tap here.
Nana. Last seen yesterday at 12:13.
Friends, as soon as you double tap on the contact, this screen gets open and let me tell you, there's an issue in searching and writing a message from compose button. There's another way which I'll be telling you in few moments, but for now let's check the layout of this individual message screen. This is same as the group screen, but however, let's quickly have a glance at it.
Nana, last seen yesterday at 12:13.
You can check the contact name and their status, last seen status.
Button, possibly.
This is
Pause.
contact info button. There's another information given by voiceover which is irrelevant. If you wish, you can label it as per your requirement. Flick right.
Nana joined Telegram, May 6th.
I'm composing a message to this particular contact for the first time, so I've got this message, and this person has joined the Telegram very recently. Flick right.
Send media.
The first option is send media, and you'll find the same options that we have checked under group, but the only option that is not available here is poll. Flick right.
Voice message button.
Voice message, you can send voice message, and when you flick right again,
Message text field.
you can compose text message. So this is all for this individual message. Now let's go back and check what is the other method if this screen doesn't work, if the composing screen doesn't work.
Chats button. Chats button. Contacts button.
Bottom of your screen, you will have 4 tabs. The first one is contacts, the next one is
Calls button.
calls, the next one is
Chats button.
Chats.
Settings button.
the next one is settings. Settings is not at all accessible, so I am not covering that part in this tutorial. Chats, as you all know, the recent chats will be available. Calls, you can make a particular call. You can make a call to particular contact, and the first one, contacts, is our topic of the moment.
Chats, calls, contacts button.
Contacts.
Contacts.
We can search for the contact here.
Search
Search.
field. Search field. Nana. Nana, last seen yesterday at 12:13 a.m. Nana, last seen yesterday.
I've double
Nana,
tapped here,
last seen yesterday
and
at
the contact
12:13
got opened. So this is how we can find different ways to find out the usage of different features in Telegram. I hope this tutorial is useful, and if you feel any feature is important to you, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to find the way and make a tutorial for you. And for more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.